Hello everybody, I am Asaduzzamon Biswas. Today I came to discuss about JavaScript number methods. Okay, fine. So today I like to discuss about few number methods, and these are your parse int, another one is your parse float, another one is your number. I like to discuss about these functions today, so let us discuss it with example. So let us begin this JavaScript, and the language is JavaScript. Okay, fine. So we'll close it now. Okay, now let us take a variable. Inside this variable I will take a number. Okay, fine. So if I take some number like this, suppose 10, this is number, so we shouldn't use any bracket, any quotation here, so I will write something like this, 4 5 6. Okay, now what I like to do, I like to convert this number into integer. So to convert a number into integer, the method that we usually use, that is your %. So here inside this first bracket we will write down which number we like to convert into integer, the number that is inside num variable. So we wrote here num. Okay, after converting it into integer, we will store it inside a variable. Suppose the name of the variable is num1. Now let us see what is the output we got here, right? So I write down here alert, and inside alert I write down this num1. Okay, so let us save it and go to output. Look, what is the output we are getting? We are getting here 10. Means this number is converted into integer, right? Now look, if we take a number something like this, num2, we take a number, but we took this number as string. Okay, suppose something like this. So if we use this method, parseInt or function, whatever you say, if we use it on this string which is inside num2, then let us see what is the output we will get here, right? So the result what will be returned by this %, we like to store it inside another variable, that is your num3. Okay, so let us see now what the output we get from this method. So we write down alert method, and inside alert method we write down num3. Okay, so let us save it and go to output. Okay, we saved it. Look, we are getting 10, and then we are getting 56. That means this string number is also converted into a string, into integer, right? So let us test another case, that is we will take a variable that is num4, and inside this variable we write down, suppose 3.14 is a string or something we wrote. Okay, if the variable contains this type of data or string, then what this method will behave with this type of a string, let us see, right? So we write down here num4, and the result returned by this method we will store it inside another variable, that is your num5. Okay, so let us see what is the output we got here. Okay, so we write down here alert num5. Okay, so we can comment this, okay, fine. So let us save and see the output what we got now. Look, we are getting what, 3, right? Because look here it got this three, it got this as number, a rest as string, character, so it just converted this one into integer number, right? But if we write if you write like this, this is your a variable num6. Okay, so if we write this in this way, it is a write in this way. Suppose it is a string 3.14, something like this. Okay, now if we like to convert it into integer using this method, in that case what this method will behave, let us check it. Okay, so we write percent and inside bracket we write num6, and right now we like to store this result inside another variable, that is num7. So let us now check what the output we are getting here. So I write down here lr and then num7. Okay, fine. So let us see the output. Save it first. Okay, fine. Though look, here we are getting not a number, because at very beginning it got some characters, those are not numbers, so it will not proceed ahead. So that's why just whenever at very beginning it got character, not number, just at very beginning it stopped its work, because it did not get any number at very beginning. So if at very beginning it got some character, not any number, in that case it will not work anymore on that string, right? So that's why we got here nan. Okay, fine. So today, now if I discuss here, suppose in these cases, suppose here if I use parse float, if I use here parse float, float will convert the string into float number, right? So if you like to see the output here, then we will get this one. That means float function converted the string into number, float number, right? In similar way, if we use here, look, instead of int, if we use here this parse float method, in that case it will also give us the result the 3.14 as we got in case of percent. Look this, because it got number at very beginning 3.14 and it converted this string into float number. And same thing if we use here this method float. Okay, if we use here float, in that case it also will give us, it's also will give us here, we are getting, oh no, sorry, we did mistake, this one, this alert will be commented, and this output we like to see. So let us go to output. Here we are getting nan, because at very beginning it got character, not any number, so it will not move inside the string, because whenever it will get character it will stop its work and will give you output as nan. Nan means not a number, right? So okay, great. Now we will take another variable here. Suppose this is your x, and inside x we wrote something like true, right? True is a boolean number, so we like to convert it into number. We like to convert this boolean into number, so we take this variable y and we took this. Now we will use this method, that is number. This method will convert this boolean value into number. So let us see it converts into number or not. So we will go to output and we'll check. Oh sorry, I did not use alert method, so I will use alert method here and like to see what is inside y. Okay, so let us go to output. We got what? 1, right? Because true converted to 1. Now if inside your, let us do copy paste. Okay, fine. Here inside x1 it suppose false, and we like to convert, oh sorry, here I should write x, and we like to convert this x1 into number. So, and we like to store this result inside y1. Okay, so let us see what we are getting here for true and false. Okay, this number converts it, this number method converts this x and x1 into number or not. So let us check it. We will save it first and we will go to output. Look, true is converted into 1 and false is converted into 0. That means this number method is converting the boolean numbers into number, okay, into integer number. Okay, so today after